Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. So, today I wanted to talk about goals. And as you know, most of the things I like to talk about are from personal experience and taking the traditional way of looking at things and doing things and finding new ways and new paths of doing those same things, mostly with rapid results and unconventional ways of combining more than one thing to achieve whatever you want to achieve. So, lately, when I think about goals, I usually think about short term. You make them short term, you make them in such a way that you can perceive the end result. You make them in such a way that you're flexible enough to change them if an opportunity arises that is better than what you have, that is something maybe you hadn't seen and it wasn't in your part of your vision. Because what I'm realizing is life unfolds. So you have a goal to achieve something, then as you take steps, it activates other paths to open up. You attract other types of people. For example, it's a business venture. You may not have been able to attract them at the beginning, but then as your process unfolds, you start to attract other types of people, other unique ideas. So your goal to achieve something should have room to allow you to change course if necessary, if better opportunities arise, you know. So the traditional way of doing goals, you see it, make it specific and stick to it to the very end and never give up. I'm seeing in this day and age it's not working. You never give up on things that have been revealed to you as truth. But if you realize something isn't working, it's okay to give it up. I think that's wisdom, right? Yeah, so with the goal setting these days, you do have to allow room for flexibility, change, introduction of new ideas along the way. Yes, it still has to be specific. Even changing your end goal, because you may have had an end goal of something, but then maybe your growth is so rapid that that is even insignificant. It's not even a goal anymore. You know, it has changed just because you took a certain action that made things accelerate so rapidly. So, in conclusion, regarding the goals, yes, set the goals, leave room for expansion, new ideas, and all the things that are unexpected. Then be flexible enough to make the necessary changes as you realize either what you were aiming for was too small and you've expanded so fast, or it is too big in the current situation, it can't be handled. So modify as you go. As always, this is Keroy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.